Hi guys, I'm gonna unbox something for you today. I'm gonna be unboxing the Beats Solo Pro. I'm gonna check it out. I replaced my Sony XM3 headphones because they're falling apart, and I went to Best Buy and got the Beats Solo Pro. So I'm gonna check out the Beats Solo Pro by Beats, partnered with Apple. So I'm going to unbox this for you right now today. Here we go. I'm going to unbox it. Let's check it out. That was easy. Now I'm just going to take it out of the box. With the camera. There we go. Okay, here we go. Beats Solo Pro. Here's the packaging. Ooh, let's see. That was easy. Ooh, comes in this nice box. Here's the headphones, come in this nice cushion, this nice case, Beats case. Those are the headphones. And here's the accessories, because the accessories are in here. Here's accessories that come. They give you a lightning cable, a black lightning cable, and they give you a little clip. Give you a little clip for the Beats Solo Pro headphones, and some paperwork. So that's about it with the pack with the accessories. But I'm probably not going to use these, so I'm going to put them back in the box. Fold this box back up, and we're going to check out the headphones. So here's the headphones. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, they're nice and folded. They're nice and folded. There's the headphones. Nice texture, nice finish on the headphones. Buttons, nice. It says, there's some instructions here. It says fold to power on and off. So you just unfold them and it powers on and powers off. So that's cool. So I'm gonna set them up and let you know how they feel. So let's take the sticker off. Let's unfold them and put them on my head. See how they feel. They feel nice. Yeah, they feel nice. And that's the Beats Solo Pro. I got the blue color because it looks nice, right? Blue headphones. I got a button here, and then here's our charger port, Lightning, no USB. To turn them off, you just unfold them, and they're like that, and they're off. So unfold on and off to turn them off. So okay, bye. See y'all later.